Hey, what's up, guys? It's Sami again here. Welcome to this C Sharp tutorial. Today we want to talk about a switch statement. If you check our last video, you saw that we talked about if statements. We talked about that, but imagine if we have many more conditions, and we have here something else like Java, and it's a switch statement. Okay, what is switch statement? For example, I say here I have here int, I say here number that is equal to 9. Okay, I have here a variable, an integer, and it hit as 9. Okay, and imagine I want to say here if number 8 console write that else if. Okay, but we have a switch statement like Java switch. I say here switch, get this variable for me, switch number. Okay, switch number, and it's like other things is open and close brace, and I say here in the case 0, for example. I say case 1. This is a general syntax of a case. Something that should happen in that situation. For example, if that number is equal to what I want, you say, for example, console dot write line. I say here number is 1. Okay, what is that? Case console break. Okay, and here you have to consider that you have to after each condition you have to use your break, and this is case 1. When you use break keyword, it say case 1 is finished, case 1 doing like this, and again I had it's like if the number is 1, console write this break. And now I say case if that number is 2, what should I do? I say here okay, exactly the same, console dot write line. I say here for example number is 2, number is 2, and again break, and I have here the second condition. I have here other condition, case 3. Let's see, case 3, case 1, case 2, okay, case 3, and in case 3 I say just the same, number is 3, and I have here, damn it, break statement. Okay, like this. And now if that number is 2, I get number is 2. Let's run that. Number is 2. Okay, and this is just if else statement, but for me this is a little bit readable. Okay, and it's up to you which one you are going to use. Okay, let's see what I am. Okay, one more thing here. For example, I say here if the case is 1, I have here what I want to do. I say here static I want to for example we are able to pass function there. For example, static void test1. For example, I say here I make a static method, and I say here in that static method just say console. I want to take it so easy, console write line, and this is test from a static method. Okay, I'm doing that. I say, hey, okay, take a look. I have here a void method is going to return nothing. I just say it's just show me a text. I want here to say if that number is 2, I don't want you to write for me something. Just call a function, and that function is test1, like this. And now if the number now is 1, we should call that function, that static function. You see, this is static. Okay, this is the, and so on. You have other opportunity with else if statements, and that is switch, and I like that. In Python you don't have it. In Java, well, in Python no. Okay, I see you in the next one. Have a nice day.